Right guys, so these are the earrings that I bought recently out of Primark, and this is the one which is, well, wash for wears really, because it got waterlogged. And these are the original new ones that are in the shops now, and you can actually see the difference. So here I'm going to show you how I'm going to enhance both of them in my version. Right, so what I want to do is I've just got an ordinary screwdriver, and what I want to do with this, I just want to turn it, just to kind of like slightly give it an opening. And there, like this, I'm just going to remove the old one. Right guys, so here's going to be my new tassels, and to get the look, what I need is 10 centimeters. So what I'm going to do here is just measure 10 centimeters, so around here, and I'm just going to get the scissors, and I'm just going to cut here and cut the end. So now what I want to do, I want to get some glue and just glue all along here. Just like so. Just keep pressing your glue all along. You don't want too much, because you are going to glue again, and then you're going to fold it back on itself like so, and just press down. And then what you want to do is just glue some more, not too much, and then you're going to turn it back on itself again. So you should have about 2.5 by now. And with all your tassels coming down, I'm just going to go ahead and cut it roughly around here, like so. So next up, I'm gonna show you these. It's a bracelet really, because it is worn as a bracelet, but I don't want to use it as a bracelet. What I want to do, I just want to go ahead and just cut one. So it should look like this. Then I want to bring it up to the middle, and I'm just going to go ahead and just cut it in half. It's quite easy to cut. And then what I want to do, I'll just bring my tape measure up again, measure it. I've got roughly 12. So then what I want to do is I want 3 of these, so 3 fours are 12. Cut a bit of my tassel, same tassel that I've used to make my earring tassel, and I'm just going to cut it into 3 again. And then let's put these out the way. What I want to do is just tie a knot, like so, and then with the end stone, I just want to put it over, like so, and tie. Right guys, so after tying my knot, it should look like this. And then what I want to do, I want to get some more glue along here, and I just want to glue along here, because this is where I'm going to set the stones. Don't use too much glue. And then what I want to do is just use the same tassel, and the reason why I'm using this way is because I did try clamping it down just without doing this method, and it didn't actually work. So this is my other option, and it looks just as good. So all I'm doing is just spacing them out evenly with the glue and just placing them all alongside each other. So once I've got everything into the place, all I want to do is use the same screwdriver and tap it all back in. Just tap it down. Guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I'm really pleased that I went away and came up with an earring that looked like this. They're beautiful, and you know, if you've got any diamante lying around the house, you could just cut them and make your tassels yourself. So I hope this tutorial kind of helped you or gave you an idea of how to do things, regarding that you've got like a frame that can help you to, so that you don't have to do it totally from scratch. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like, share, comment, give me a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.